comes along. It's time to see cool new words that start with C. C. C is for cat, soft and sweet. She purrs and plays with tiny feet. C is for cake, yummy and round, with cherries and cream. It's so renowned. C is for car. Vroom, it's slow, driving fast or driving slow. C is for cup. We fill it with tea or milk or juice just for me. C is for cow, big and white. She gives us milk morning and night. C is for cloud, floating so high. It covers the sun in the brightening blue sky. C is for candle, shiny and tall. It glows in the dark on the birthday hall. C is for cookies, crunchy and sweet, a little round treat that's fun to eat. C is for corn, yellow and bright. We mount it up, what a delight. C is for cherry, shiny and red. One off my mouth and one for my head. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for later D videos.